This video will guide you on how you can download and install Office 365 on your Windows PC. Open your web browser and on the address bar type office.com. Once you open office.com, it will bring you to this very interface. You can see you either sign in or you can buy the Microsoft 365. It all depends on you. You can just click and this will be opened in this particular tab for you. You can just go through this, and if you wish to buy, you can just click on buy. You can even try it for 1 month. They will not charge you for that particular month. And if you are comfortable with it and you wish to buy, you can just click on buy. We have Microsoft 365 Personal. We also have Family. We also have the premium version. You can even opt for monthly payment if you wish. It all depends on what you need. Alternatively, you can sign in here, and the moment you click on sign in, we're going to see how we can use the web version. Here, you just need to input your email address. You can just click here to create an account. Once you input your email address, click on next. Now use any of this option to either sign in. You can just click on get code, and the moment you click on that, the moment you've signed in to this app, it will enable you to use the web version for free. You can just click on this Word if you want to use Word for free. So now this will load the environment for you, and we see how we can actually use that. Here you have free templates that you can edit. If you wish, you can just click on create blank document, and you see the blank document opened up for you. And from here, you can prepare your Word document. From here, you can begin to use it. And of course, you see that the whole interface is exactly the same. You can even still go back here. If you wish to use Excel, you can just simply click on Excel, and Excel will be opened up for you. All of these are different apps that you can use, and the moment you click on them, they will all just load up here for you, and you begin to use them. They all contain exactly what you have on the one that is installed in your PC. You can see if you put numbers here, you can even sum it from here, and then come up here now and you hit your enter. This is already summed up here for you. So this is just an easy way you can get this in your PC. Now to install it, you can just click on these three dots here, then locate this car save and share, then install page as app. Now the moment you click on that, you can just see install, and this will be installed direct to your PC. Of course, you can see this on the desktop. You can even see it here. This will stand as a dedicated window in your PC. You can still do the same for your Excel. The moment you click on Excel, you can just still follow the same method, and then you get it installed in your PC. And so this is just the simple way you can install this.